Today we got a PlayStation 5 here. Customer states that this device doesn't power up, so we're going to hit the power up. Alright, so we just got a one beep. Let's see. Yeah, we're getting no light, nothing, just a beep. So a 1 second beep. So we're gonna see if we have something shorted out. I believe we're gonna have something shorted out in here. Person is a smoker. COM3. Alright, we're going to read the last 20 codes. 2. SSD controller failure short. So it's saying basically like fuse 7001. And it's saying that we have check 2 volt. Alright, I'm gonna screenshot this. Alright, so what we're going to want to do is test to see if we have voltage here and the power supply. So we're going to plug this in. Alright, we got our 12 volts. Oh, we got a dead short. I don't know. It did take a while to climb up. Oh, we don't got a short. It's kind of strange. Alright, let's check in this area. That's where I was saying, check that area, right? So we got our stuff in diode mode here. So let's check these. Oh, that fuse is blowing. Yeah. It's strange that we're getting a reading like that. It's like it's partially blowing. Huh. Alright, so I think we found our short here. But yeah, we got us a dead short here on these caps over here. That's a dead short, you guys. You can see that, right? Alright, what we're going to do is... wonder if it's going to be that chip or one of those capacitors. Let's zoom in on those capacitors. They look fine. I'm gonna check that little cap right there. What I'm going to do is remove these. Got those moved off. Okay, we still have a short. Set those guys to the side. You guys can see nothing on this microscope. Yeah, we're still shorted. Alright, we're going to remove the chip. SBVTI074F. Alright, we got that off. Imagine this. It does go to the other side there. So why is that other fuse blowing? Alright, so yeah, it's not that. So what we're going to do is we're going to have some fun. We're going to inject some voltage. I'm not going to go testing every component. Alright, so here we got the thermal camera up. We're going to inject some voltage. Draw on 1 amp. Oh, I think I see something. Right there. Okay. Okay. So we're here, somewhere here. Oh yeah, we found the baby. We found her. Woohoo! Look at that stinking cap right there. Oh yeah, she's lighting up like a Christmas tree. Yeah, buddy. Hit power, boom, off, on, off, on, off. Yeah, we found her. Let's take a look at that cap. So checking over here in this area, right here, I found that those two caps were kind of shorted out. So we went and injected voltage into this, which then finding the short just now on this cap over here. So let's take a look under a microscope. Oh yeah, she's cracked. She's a cracker. I can zoom this in for you guys, brighten this up a little bit more. There we go. You see the cap? See how we got like a discoloration right here? There it goes. That was it. It's a cracked capacitor. I didn't just chip that with my thing. It was already partially cracked. So I just flicked at it. So let's remove that cap and then we'll test and see if we have shorts. So we got that cap removed. We could test this area, see if it's shorted out still. Nope. We get normal reading, you guys. Go back over here where we have our wire soldered. And let's test our shorts over here. I can clean this up a little bit. I mean, it is crazy how just a couple cent component stops the system from powering up. There we go. We got the short cleared, guys. Woo! Let's put our chip back on. We'll put our little capacitor on there, and then we'll find the value out on that cap. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a donor board here. try not to lose this one. Other one I think was cracked anyways. Like it fell off the pad. Alright, we got that off. Grab the other board. Come in and clean this up just a little bit. Solder. Alright, that guy sat down. We put in our other big caps here. Up with the flux just drying up. Come on. Too much solder on there, but it's fine. Put our chip back on. Okay, we got our chip on there. This one's a good one, so we'll try to get the value. We'll take this off, get the value of it. That way you guys know, in case you guys ever come across it. Okay, we got that cap off. We're gonna let it cool down. Once we let it cool down, then we can test the value. All Daniel's awesome software he created for me. We're gonna go into there we go. I forgot what key it was. So 22 UF, 23. I'll grab my other tester here. You guys ain't gonna be able to see this. Yep, 22 UF. So it's a 22 UF capacitor. I tested with this meter. So there you go. It's 22. Alright, that's sitting on there. Switch back to diode mode. And we're going to use, test this. Okay, we're getting a normal reading now. Let's see. That's ground. And there we go. We got a normal reading. Okay, awesome. So, let's so just to recap, what we did is basically it was saying us by F001, right? So if we go to F001 over here in this area, this fuse, if we test this fuse here, we might have to replace that. I don't know why that's glowing too, but this fuse right here. So yeah, we should get some reading on that. So what we're going to do is remove that fuse. Then we got us a blown fuse. And see, that's a halfway blown fuse. That's very strange. Now, that would have shot me down the rabbit hole if I would have kept checking the circuitry over here, right? So lucky I went and tested some other areas. Let's set that to the side. Grab a donor here. And grab our Y fuse here. Yeah, so the UR codes really didn't help. Basically, it did. It said that, you know, F7007 or F7001, it was telling us that area, right? But then it was saying like SSD controller failure, short circuit, 13. Check the 2-volt rail system. Basically, that's what it's saying. DRM error. So CE10562B-2. And I don't know, I thought that was strange. So okay, we go over here, we're looking in this area. But then I go by the SSD controller area and test that. And they find the shorter caps, which led us to that cracked capacitor. Alright, I'm just going to clean my mess up here a little bit. since we're over here, I'm gonna test this fuse right here. Make sure this guy's good. Yeah. Alright. We're good to go. I mean, there's like no liquid metal whatsoever in the center of that die packet. You can see the die packet shiny. So it's not like it's a dry spot, it's crazy. Alright, we're going to do the same with this. There's too much liquid metal. So it wasn't a burnt spot, it was just a dry spot, you know, in the center of the die where it heats up the most. And that's from having the game console sitting upright. Lay your consoles down, people. Strange. Alright, we're going to put the clamp on. Then what I'll do too is I'm going to have to hook up UR tools again and clear the codes. The customer brings it back somehow not working. I don't want to be able to know what it is. So let's plug this in. I don't know if the light's going to work or not. I think I did see it shine once for a second. Okay, we got that. Plug in the HDMI cord. Power cord. Alright, there we go. Let's see. I'm going to hit the power button here. Alright, we're going to get a white light, at least a blue light. Let's see. Aha! Yeah, we got a blue light. The switch. There we go. Yeah. We got us a working PlayStation 5 brought back from the grave. Not going in the landfill. All just because of a stinking little capacitor. That's how small it is on my hand. So it's a cracked capacitor. You see, and I flicked it off the side where the crack was. Chip came off. That's our shorted capacitor. That little component right there stopped the whole game console from powering up. Obviously, we got a white light, we got a picture. We got a picture. Hope you guys liked the video. If you guys get a chance, give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you guys haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. As always, thanks for watching.